They work, but they're not like amazing.
They're not amazing, but they work. Give her help.
Is there one more that way, or that's his yard?
That's where we started at.
Oh, it's almost a roll. I think we can hit that backwards. This is not his yard?
No, this is the beginning of the trail.
I'm getting launched with dirt, dude.
Oh, yeah. Steering it. All right, slow down. Up here, take a left. Right here.
Dude, it like U-turns.
It does. It turns so good now. All right, now go straight. Go left.
Now go right.
This is easier. Yeah, go right here. We're gonna hit this backwards now.
What's up, boys? Today, what are we doing today, Tyler?
I don't know, what are we doing?
So it's probably going to be a...
Why don't we just tell them what we just did?
Okay. So what we just did was, the video that is going to be before this is the steering rack mod, and Tyler...
Oh my god. It changed. Let's put it this way. If you have one of these go-karts and you're even thinking about doing it, shut up and do it.
Just do it.
This changed the whole... I mean, look at it.
We added notches to the steering.
Look at how... Before, it was like there.
Yeah, maybe like that.
Now...
It's massive.
It's same thing on this side.
Yeah, it
Before,
turns
this way,
literally
it only
right
turned
around.
like this far. It only had a couple notches. Now...
It goes all the way.
It goes all the way.
It goes far.
It'd be nice if this way had maybe one more notch.
Yeah.
We did, what, two? Two on
one side and like five on the other.
Wish, if you guys do it, do 3 on this side.
Yeah.
Try and get just one more. Because that would have changed everything. We already have it back together, so it's good enough for now.
I think at some point, too, what we're going to do is we're going to do... We're going to replace these with Heims, and we're going to do one shorter than the other. So
and when we do
the steering,
that, maybe we'll just add that one more.
Yeah, the steering... or we can center the steering.
Yeah. Yeah, we could probably center it, because we can make one shorter, one longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. But, so we just took this, as you can see, it is loaded with dirt.
A little bit of dirt.
So, Justin, what did we do while out on the trail?
So, Tyler, I had Tyler drive out in the back, and we went to the trail, and he zipped around and was having a good time, and then I decided that I wanted to shred it a little bit, because we really haven't gotten to like rip it.
No, I mean, we've opened it up in my yard, but it's a small yard.
Yeah,
so
and this is literally a racetrack.
it is.
So, yeah, we found a cool spot. We're like, dude, if we hit this backwards,
yeah,
we could probably catch some air.
And the best part is, I wish we were recording it, because it's literally right down the street. So we just ripped this thing right down the street, and on our way back from the track, there's a cop right behind us.
Literally right behind us. Right behind us.
He didn't care. Small town.
Yeah.
But,
so why is the battery? Why do you got the battery?
Well, we know the stator's good because we got home and realized, oh shit, we don't have a battery. So there's a little jump out there, and we hit that at what, like 20, 25 miles an hour?
Yeah, we were flying.
And yeah, we lost the battery on that jump. We
Well,
also
lost.
the gas tank.
Yeah.
We've had this thing zip tied up just because we were getting it going, but we snapped all the zip ties. And when we were going to swap seats so I could rip it some more, we realized, yeah, the tank is busted a little bit in the back. It's hanging and pouring a little bit of gas out. So
yeah. Oh man! Oh, that is deep! That tastes so bad!
oh, I can't see shit.
A U-turn! Oh god!